In this video, I will show you how to sync music to beats in CapCut. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Add music to your video by selecting audio in the bottom left corner, then selecting sounds. You then can choose from a number of different options in the top. You can also look at recommended or trending songs, TikTok songs. You can then browse through and find the song that you like. Once you find the song that you like, simply select the plus sign, select the music, and then in the bottom row, scroll to the right until you find beats. Then select auto generate. And now CapCut has identified all the beats within this song. So now you can cut your clips so the clips line up with the markers to match the beats. This makes your edits feel smoother and more professional. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.